This is Kathy. She likes drinking Miller Lite. We'd like that one of our sponsors here at Showcase Karaoke.
And her hobbies include singing, and she will be singing Killing Me Softly by the Fugees.
Good luck, Kathy.
Take it away.
And there he was, this young boy, stranger to my eyes, drumming my pain, his fingers, singing my life with his words, killing me softly with his song, killing me softly with his song, telling my whole life with his words, killing me softly with his song. La 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 la. Whoa, la.
If you like what you heard, go to outoffocusentertainment.com and vote for Kathy.
We'd like to thank our sponsors, Miller Lite and Resignos Marketing Connections, for making this possible, and of course Sam McGuire's for hosting Showcase Karaoke 3.